This is Nate with Kilts Can Do. Today we're going to be working on the 01 Kawasaki 125cc Eliminator. Lots of power. Lots of power. We're going to have some fun. We're going to take apart the fenders and non-essential wiring. Plus we're going to label them. Okay, so we need to remove these bolts. They're size 12. Once again, we're also going to label these. Thank goodness these are really easy. You only have 3 cables coming through that with the male-female adapters. That's for the brake, right turn signal, left turn signal. So when I cut all this extra stuff off, I've got it labeled, so all we got to do is plug it in and go. So that is awesome. And we're already loose. And that was that. Fun, fun, fun. All right, so now we're going to remove the muffler. Not the full setup. Just, this is a slide on. Size 12 and a size 14. The one under here, which I'll show you in a second, you're going to want to use some penetration spray. It gets hit with a lot of dirt and grime and water from the road, so it is all rusted up and nasty. So I've sprayed that a couple times over the last 30 minutes to try to loosen it up a bit and see what we can get. This one is already fairly loose. I was able to get it loose easy, but let me show you what this one looks like. There we go. I thought we were going to have to heat it up to get it loose, but using the penetration oil got it pretty good, so we were lucky there. All right, so we're about to slide this off. One thing I went ahead and did was right over in here, I sprayed it with some WD-40 Specialist Penetration Fast Acting Formula. Just sprayed up in there where it connects. Gave it a few minutes along with the bolt at that time, and it just kind of wiggled it a little bit. At first it was very hard, but it came off. You can see it penetrated pretty darn good. I was surprised, so that's nice. So we got all that off. The back tire is looking fairly decent. I was surprised. The front tire needs a new tire. We're going to cut it probably right about here. Those are the nuts for the seat. We're not going to need that anymore. But I will probably leave the springs where they are. All right, guys and gals, tell me what you thought about the video. I think we learned a bit today, had some fun, had a little bit of frustration. Part of the territory. It started pouring down outside, so I brought the Harley in, so I'm gonna finish. I'm done. It's cold. Send me some messages, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time on The Insane Build.